Welcome to Chapter 10 of the Tally Learning Hub. In this session, you will learn about the Outstandings report in TallyERP 9. Successful closure of your order to sales is determined only when you convert your sales into cash. Till your sales are converted into your cash, you need to manage how much you need to receive, from whom, and when. Similarly, the frequency of payables to your supplier. That's why it is critical to keep a track of your bills outstandings reports. Let's look at the bills receivable report. From the gateway of Tally, press D for display, S for statement of accounts, O for outstandings, and R for receivables. Here, you will get bill-by-bill details of invoices that are pending to be received and the due date, along with the days by which they are overdue. If you want to see the total money receivable from each customer, press Alt F7 for bill party-wise. This will show bill-by-bill details of each party, and now it would become easier to get the complete view of the receivables. Among these bills, you can also check the ones pending for the longest time. For this, I'll press F6 for age-wise. Select whether you want to see the aging by the bill's date or the bill's due date. I'm selecting the due date. Now, I can enter the frequency I want to see. I'm going to enter that I want one column showing all the bills pending for 0 to 15 days, the next column for 15 to 30 days, followed by 30 to 60 days, 60 to 90 days, and the last column for anything pending more than that. Accept the screen. Now, it becomes easy for you to see who you need to contact first to get your bills settled. If you wish to view the receivables of individual customers, press Escape from the receivables report and press L for ledger. Select the customer's ledger. I'm selecting Ace Electronics. The next feature we will learn about is sending a reminder letter from Tally. It is one of the conventional practices to follow up with the customer to get the bills paid faster. To print a reminder letter, press Alt P. Say no to the print command by pressing N. Make print reminder letter set to yes. Set the bill's aging frequency and press Ctrl A to accept. Set other details as required to be printed in the reminder letter and say yes to print. And there you go. You can now email the reminder letter as well using Alt M. Press Escape to view the bill's payable report. You can access it using a similar navigation we used in the bill's payable report. You can use the F12 configuration option to add or modify the information and get much more insights for confident decision making. You can also use the options available inside the menu bar for additional details and quick navigation across reports. So here is a quick recap. Viewing bill-by-bill receivables and party-wise bill details, aging analysis to know long pending bills, viewing ledger outstandings and sending a reminder letter. With the latest TallyERP 9, you can access this report from a web browser on any device anywhere. In our next session, you will learn about how the daybook in Tally can be handy for tracking day-to-day business activities.